Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. Yes, this is one of the few times I actually make this part last. So yes, I have run the robot already and we get a sniper entry as always. You will see I enter on Bitcoin, we buy and we never see the line again. We are in the money all the time. So I call this video settings video because I have made many of them in the past. As you can see with the alpha bot up there. We needed to check the trading view and all these things. Scratch all this. We now have alpha 1 iBot. Everything is inside that one. Only thing you need to check, go to investing.com, check the news calendar, so you don't trade under some big news. That's for the euro and dollar. As long as you don't trade under news, you are good to go. And also to copy completely the way I trade is that you trade in morning Sao Paulo time. I'm from Sao Paulo, Brazil. So if you check my time zone, I trade always in morning. Then you copy exactly the way I do things. And also if I win one trade, I stop for the day. If I lose one, win one more, I stop for the day. If I, for example, in the last scenario, if I lose one and lose one more, I also stop for the day. Always max 3 trades a day. That's 100% how I run my robot. And if you want this robot also, this robot only work, and this is important, only work with my link. Okay? So if you push this link you see up there now, you can sign up. Then you will see this robot in the left side, and also you only need to deposit $100 compared with the normal $250 first time deposit. So that's a big deal when you get into something, right? And like I said, always in my videos you find a promo code below the video, so you get 200% on your first deposit. Also check out my copy service. You can get signals for Forex, only $16 a month. You get all my Forex trade directly in a Telegram group. So pretty amazing. So if you like that, you find link below the video to that also. So now let's start up this amazing robot, and you can see the sniper entry also. So with that, see you on the next video. there you have it. $2,341 in matter of 7 minutes. And like I said in the start of the video, amazing entry. Sniper entry as always. So if you want this robot, link below the video, and remember to use the promo code. And do not go directly to BinBotPro and make an account. You will not get this robot. And you will need to deposit $250 compared with $100 with my link. So, see you on the next video.